So wake up the members of my nation. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we are going to be playing Icarly. And today we are going to be exploring Freddy's apartment. Part 2 will show Carly's. So, let's do this. So this is Freddy's apartment. Pretty awesome, as you can see. Wait, can you turn the TV on? You can! So this is Freddy's fireplace and his bedroom. I don't know, this might be Mrs. Benson's bedroom. This is Freddy's bedroom, I'm thinking. Or this. Yeah, I think it's Freddy's bedroom. This is his kitchen. Pretty relaxing, if you ask me. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys!